Jeannie, my favorite part about this place is as soon as you walk in, you're just met with this warmth, vibrant, beautiful environment. How did you first get started with your own studio?
Thank you for that. And well, I love art, I love people, I love color, obviously. And I think bringing the three things together really culminated into my studio.
Art means so many different things to different people.
Yes.
What is the role that art has played in your life?
So art is, for me, it started out as what I have on my door, and I have creating art for the broken pieces. So many years ago, I lost my first husband, and that's kind of got me into it. I'm very happily married. I have a beautiful family now, but for me, it was therapy. I found who I was again a little bit. You know, I'm that mom, I'm that wife, I'm all those things. But it really took on a different role for me.
And then to be able to not just experience that for yourself and find so much in you again through art, but then to be able to turn around and share that with everyone?
I love it. Everybody has a story. Everybody. I love the celebration of life through art. And I love watching people get so excited about what they're making. I love to see them invest. We can have someone sign up for a class, which happens a lot, and they come by themselves, and they'll bring maybe something their mother had made, or maybe something that belonged to a relative that had broken, and it's very special to them, and they want to incorporate it in a glass art piece that they want to make. Or I had a couple come in for their anniversary. This is beautiful. They came in, just them, they worked on a large piece, and they threw dishes at their wedding, and it was their 25th wedding anniversary. So they incorporated that into a piece they worked on together for their anniversary. And then they went to lunch. I thought it was really cute.
Well, Jeannie, fair warning, my artistic ability is not something that I would say is top of my characteristics.
You're the perfect person to be here. First, can I tell you, you don't have to be an artist to walk in our door.
That's good.
So yes,
that's really good to know.
You don't have to know anything. If you know how to pick up a hammer in our safe little glass breaking box and smash glass, you can create anything beautiful. So what we do is we work with glass, we work with acrylics, and we work with resin. And basically, under that, the world is our oyster.
Well, I can't wait to get started. Let's go celebrate art.
Yay, let's do it. Mica powder, when you mix it with the resin that we're gonna mix, you can't help but say, ooh, so gosh, that's beautiful. Yeah.
So far, so good. We got a little bit of ghost white, a little bit of margarita green, and some bronze.
Isn't it beautiful? I gotta get you a little fire thing. Hold on, let me get you a little fire.
A little fire.
See how pretty it is?
It is.
But then when we put out the bubbles, the carbon dioxide, it's super pretty.
And so what did you say?
This, basically, the fire takes out the carbon dioxide.
Pops the bubbles, but gives it that nice gloss.
Yeah, once you pop the bubbles, it's so pretty. What good selection. I love it. Well, I don't think there's any bad color.
Right. You can't really go wrong.
You really can't go wrong.
I wish all art is like that, where you just can't mess it up, right?
You can't. I think, honestly, it is.
It is. Art is like that.
I think it is.
Mistake-free.
All right, you made a charcuterie board. Woo! Your very own colors, exactly how you want it to do.
This is my YOLO Texas charcuterie board.
I love it. A good YOLO Texas charcuterie board.
Absolutely.
Can't beat that. There you go.
Really pretty.
Oh, I like it. Now we got our little
I like
point.
that. Yeah, and then that one can go on top.
Ooh,
I love it. That looks great, Jeannie.
Yes, you go, girl.
Wow. That's exactly what it is.
Oh, your heart.
Okay, the question is,
Where do you want your heart?
well, we are here in South Texas.
Yes, we are.
And now YOLO Texas has its own YOLO Texas.
Yeah, y'all should hang that one up in your
Oh,
place.
absolutely.
You're an artist.
Thank you for not only teaching me about how to work with glass and also beautiful resin, but thanks for letting me be an artist for a day.
Oh, of course. Now, don't you want to teach a class?
Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow.
I love it.
I'll be back tomorrow. Sounds good.